Welcome back to my channel, guys. For today's video, let's talk about how to earn money in Twitter. But before I will start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Let's go. Twitter, you can earn money by promoting affiliate products, sponsored tweets, and offering your services to your followers. Certainly, here's an elaboration of how you can earn money on Twitter through promoting affiliate products, sponsored tweets, and offering services to your followers. Promoting affiliate products. Twitter provides a platform to share affiliate links to products or services that you recommend. When your followers click on these links and make purchases, you earn a commission on the sales. It's important to disclose your use of affiliate links and to share products that genuinely align with your audience's interests, maintaining trust and authenticity. Sponsored tweets. Brands or businesses may approach you to create and share tweets that promote their products, services, or campaigns. You'll receive compensation for crafting and sharing these promotional tweets with your followers. Ensuring that the content integrates seamlessly with your usual tweets and is relevant to your audience is crucial for maintaining credibility. Offering your services. Twitter can serve as a platform for showcasing your skills and expertise. You can offer services like consulting, coaching, design, writing, or any other services related to your expertise. By interacting with your followers, highlighting your skills, and providing value through your tweets, you can attract potential clients interested in your services. Engagement and authenticity. Building a genuine relationship with your followers is key to successfully monetizing your Twitter presence. Engage with your audience, respond to comments and messages, and participate in discussions related to your niche. Authenticity and meaningful interactions can attract both potential clients and affiliate marketing opportunities. Identifying relevant brands. When considering affiliate products or sponsored tweets, choose brands or products that resonate with your audience. Aligning with your followers' interests ensures that your promotions are well received and effective. Crafting effective tweets. Whether it's an affiliate promotion, sponsored tweet, or service offering, crafting concise, attention-grabbing tweets is crucial. Clear and compelling messaging, along with compelling visuals or videos, can increase engagement and conversions. Monitoring and analytics. Keep track of the performance of your tweets using Twitter's analytics tools. This helps you understand what types of content resonate with your audience and perform well, allowing you to refine your strategy for maximum results. Balancing promotions and value. Strive for a balance between promotional content and valuable, informative tweets. Continuously providing value to your followers builds trust and keeps your audience engaged and receptive to your monetization efforts. Building your Twitter brand. Cultivate a consistent Twitter brand by maintaining a cohesive profile, using relevant hashtags, and sharing content that reflects your niche and expertise. A strong personal brand can attract both potential clients and partnership opportunities. Effective use of hashtags. Incorporating relevant and trending hashtags in your tweets can increase their visibility to a wider audience. This can lead to more engagement, attract potential clients, and increase the reach of your affiliate promotions or sponsored content. Networking and relationship building. Actively participate in Twitter chats, discussions, and interactions within your niche. Building relationships with other users, including brands and potential clients, can open doors to collaboration opportunities and service inquiries. Creating compelling visual content. Tweets with images, GIFs, or videos tend to receive higher engagement. Use these visual elements to make your tweets stand out, whether you're sharing affiliate links, promoting services, or delivering valuable insights. Consistency in posting. Maintain a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and informed. Regular tweets ensure that your followers stay updated on your content and offerings, which can contribute to higher conversion rates. Utilizing Twitter lists. Organize your followers and other users into Twitter lists based on their interests or relevance to your niche. This helps you target specific groups with tailored content and promotions. Sharing success stories and testimonials. If you're offering services, sharing success stories or client testimonials can build credibility and showcase the value you provide. These stories can inspire confidence in potential clients and encourage them to reach out to you. That's all, folks. Hope you learned something new about how to earn money in Twitter. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for our latest upload.